Hello everyone, my name is Miss Sharon Roshan, teacher from Trinity International School. Today we'll be learning letter E. So this is a capital E and this one is small letter E. So we'll be tracing this letter E with our index finger. So let's start tracing it. This is standing line, sleeping line, another sleeping line, and again one more sleeping line. So we have completed letter E, capital E and small e. So you can see the difference between capital E and small e. You can see the size difference and the letter looks different, right? So this one we have to do like C, half curve, and then you have to turn inside. You have to turn towards inside. Next is say the names of the pictures that begin with E sound and color them. So which picture is this? This is the picture of egg and engine. Repeat after me. This is the picture of egg and engine. So we are going to color this picture. So I am using here sketch pen, but you are supposed to use your crayons color. So I have used many colors to color the engine. So even you can use different colors to color the engine. So E for engine, E for egg. I have used yellow color. Even you can use yellow color and color this picture of egg. So now we'll start tracing the letter E. So how we are going to start? We'll make first standing line, sleeping line, again the sleeping line, and the last one sleeping line. This is the letter E. Say E for eel, E for Eskimo. Okay, so standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, and sleeping line. This is the letter E. E for egg. Once again we'll start with this green dot here, from red line to blue line, then sleeping line, again the sleeping line. Same way we have to repeat the sleeping line, and it's ready. Letter E. Now we'll learn how to write small letter E. So like this you have to complete all these boxes, okay, and then we'll start with small letter E. So first make the curve. So sleeping line, then inside, towards inside, and make the curve. Small letter E. Sleeping line, and then small letter E. You can see how it's done. You have to start from the green dot here. Start the small sleeping line and then turn inside like C and make a half curve. It's complete. Small letter E. E for engine. You can see here small sleeping line, go towards inside and then make a half curve. This is E for engine. What it is? E for engine. E for engine. We'll do once more. Sleeping line and then half curve is E. E for elephant. So this page number 10 will be your homework. So you have to complete capital E and small letter E. So now here we are going to color the boxes with letter E, capital E and small e. So there are many letters given here, A, B, H, L in puzzle. So you can see there is the letter small e. So we will be coloring all these boxes. Have to color with crayons, okay? So now we'll write capital E and small e. E for Eskimo. E for Eskimo. Okay. So first we'll write capital E and then small e. Okay. So E for elbow. Standing line, sleeping line, another sleeping line, and again sleeping line. E for elbow. So small e now. E for elephant. Standing line, sleeping line, another sleeping line, again the sleeping line. And then small sleeping line and twist it inside and make it half curve. You can see the small e. E for elf. Standing line, sleeping line, and then another sleeping line. Small sleeping line and twist it inside and make it small letter E. E for egg. E for engine.